Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. How do you feel? I feel proud. Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. What feeling is it now?
I feel shy.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. How do you feel?
I feel hungry.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. What feeling is it now?
I feel thirsty.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. How do you feel?
I feel hot.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. What feeling is it now?
I feel cold.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. How do you feel?
I feel lively.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. What feeling is it now?
I feel tired.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. How do you feel?
I feel curious.
Hi, Freddie, dear Freddie. What feeling is it now?
I feel scared.
Emma's mom hugged her and said, "Good morning, dear. I love you." Emma felt loved. Emma sat down to play, but her favorite toy was broken. Emma felt sad. Emma went to grab a cookie, but her brother had eaten them all. Emma felt angry. Emma's mom gave her a cone of ice cream. Emma felt better. Emma felt happy. Emma had nothing to do, so she lay on the floor. Emma felt bored. Emma went to the park. She sat down on a bench. Emma felt calm. Emma saw some kids playing, but she didn't know how to join them. Emma felt nervous.
Do you want to play with us?
The kids asked. Emma jumped with joy. Emma felt excited. They passed the ball to Emma. Emma kicked the ball very high. Emma was surprised. Emma waved them goodbye. Emma walked back home. Emma felt content. The golden sun rose and birds started chirping on the trees. Mommy Rabbit called, "Wake up, Cindy, it's time for school." Cindy dressed up quickly and got ready for school. Cindy boarded the school bus and went to school with her friends. In the classroom, the teacher taught ABCs. The bell rang. Hooray! It was time for the pool. Cindy jumped in the pool, and so did Bobby the cat and Nick the pig. After a busy day, Cindy came back from school. Mommy hugged her tight and asked about her day at school. While having food, Cindy told Mommy all about her fun day. Jill starts to walk. She runs for a block. She climbs up a mud pile. She skips for a while. She kicks a ball. She bounces on a trampoline near the wall. She jumps with joy. She plays with a toy. She sees the sunset in the sky. She waves the sun goodbye.
It is a beautiful summer morning. Mia gets out of bed. She gets ready for the day and goes out to play. She walks on the green grass. She meets her friends Lily and Bee. They fly kites in the park and eat some tasty ice cream. They lie on the grass for a while. Mia and her friends love summer days.
Lucy's room is a mess. She has dirty clothes on her bed. And stinky shoes on the floor. Her toys are scattered everywhere. She decides to clean her room. She puts all her clothes for washing. She washes her dirty shoes. She puts all her toys in the box. Her room is squeaky clean now.